Hey guys, it's me, Brittany, and this is my channel, Beauty Mark. So, the day you've been waiting for is here. I'm finally going to make a video on how I heat train my hair. Let's get started. So, first things first, my hair is actually pretty oily right now just because it's been so long. But before I shampoo, I like to put some oil on it just because, you know, I don't want the shampoo to dry out my hair. Anyway, so what I do is I take some olive oil. After I put the oil on my hair, I'm going to go wash it. And I'll show you guys the shampoo in a moment. And then I just use a basic conditioner. Any difference in my hair. So now I'm just going to detangle my hair, and I'm going to section it in 4 sections so it's easier for me to wash and won't get all tangled up. So I know a lot of people like this, the wide tooth comb, which is good, it's really good, but I actually prefer picks. Yeah, it's as excuse as my dog kind of bit it. But you're just gonna part the hair in 4 sections. To do this, all you need is your comb and then 4 clips, of course. And as you can see, the tangling is very easy now that my hair is trained. And I always wash my hair in the shower. And of course, you already know this, but you know, you want to comb from the ends of your hair upward. And as you can see, detangling is a breeze, even though I have a pretty good amount of new. So anyway, I'm going to go and hop in the shower now, wash and condition my hair, and I will be back to show you my wet hair and then just also how I dry. Okay, back in a second. Okay, I'm back. Hair washed and clean. Right now there's nothing in my hair. I'm gonna put some leave-in in here. I thought I had more than this, but I don't. It's like just like a homemade leave-in. I got the leave-in from a YouTuber. Her name is, well, her name for her channel is Kim May Tube, and she does a really nice leave-in. And the reason I like it is because it's pH balanced to help close the cuticle. And then I'm going to use my Lock and Block. People have been asking me which version I use. I use either version. To me, they work the same. So now what I do is I just like air dry it a little bit. I blow dry it, of course. I wait for it to dry just a little bit. So why I do that, just to help it go a little more smoothly. I'll just kind of twist the hair like this. This is just so the roots kind of dry as straight as possible. And now I'm a little pressed for time, so I'm actually going to go and sit in front of a fan really quick to hopefully dry a little more quicker, and then I'll blow dry it and I will be back to show you guys the results. Okay guys, so I did a little bit of air drying and I actually blow dried this section in the back of my hair, and this is the last section. It's still a little damp, so it looks crazy. So this is how it looks after I kind of combed it out. And I'm just going to go through it really quick one more time. And one thing I have noticed about my heat trained hair is that the curls Like, they're not, what I want to say, they're easily manipulated. Like, even if my hair is wet and I put it up, like you see my hair before, it looked kind of, you know, it didn't really have the waves or whatever, but that's because I put it up. And, excuse me, when I put it up, you know, the waves kind of really loosen. So, yeah. So I'm going to blow dry it now. So I'm going to take my blow dryer. This is the one I have, Hot Tools. And I only apply the heat to my roots. Everything else, I just use this cool shot button here, and it has a nice cool air. So here we go. So you can see how crazy my hair looks after it's blow dried. So now we are ready to heat train. Now that we are pretty dry, as you can see, I kind of twisted that section up, and when I do that, I don't know, for some reason it makes the hair really a lot more shiny. So maybe I'll just pin this up really quick. Cool. So that is it. So I will be back with the flat iron in just a second.